Bonjour Rachel, bonsoir Rachel. Nous sommes le mardi 31 mars. C'est la leçon 10 sur 19. So we used the dictionary, to change a bit the style of the course and the dictionary. We decided to use the topic, the environment. Okay, so and also put this image here. Okay. So, j'aime les sandwichs avec du beurre et du jambon. Le jambon beurre. So I like sandwiches with butter and ham. It's like a ham butter. That's how we call it, le jambon beurre. Le croque-monsieur, c'est 2 tranches de pain beurré avec du gruyère et du jambon. 2 tranches de pain beurré. So 2 buttered slices of bread, I don't know if it's really correct, with gruyère and ham. It's a style of cheese. Vouloir, to want. Je veux, je voudrais. Pouvoir, can, to be able to. J'ai pu manger une omelette. So, you have to come back to the passé composé. We have to make sure, the past participle can be, remembered if you really want to use the passé composé when you explain stuff in the past. So this visual dictionary, l'environnement, le paysage. Est-ce que tu aimes la montagne ou la mer? Qu'est-ce que tu préfères? What do you prefer? La montagne ou la mer? Est-ce que tu aimes? So be careful of qu'est-ce que, what? Est-ce que? Est-ce que tu aimes? Do you like? And in general, we're going to use a pronoun. Est-ce que tu aimes les montagnes? Est-ce que tu aimes les plages? But we can also have a singular, like, est-ce que tu aimes le lac? Est-ce que tu aimes les lacs? Lake. Pourquoi? Because. So pourquoi is why? Parce que, because. Parce que c'est magnifique. Because it's magnificent, it's beautiful. So, je n'aime pas les ours it means I don't like bears. Les animaux, animals. It's pronoun form. Les bois, the woods. C'est trop dangereux, it's too dangerous. Est-ce que tu aimes les marais, swamps? Le pré, the meadow. So we're gonna go through that, don't worry. Moi aussi, me too. Un arc-en-ciel, a rainbow. Est-ce que tu connais la Nouvelle-Orléans? Do you know New Orleans? Okay. Passé composé with être, there is a list here. Okay. But in addition to that, we have also the reflective verbs. So this small list of verbs here, normal verbs are here. And we have reflective verbs. So, venir, to come from, arriver, to arrive, monter, to climb, to go up, entrer, to enter. Passer is like to pass by, to go through, depends the context. Rester is to stay. Devenir, to become. Mourir, to die. Naître, to be born. Sortir, to exit, to go out. Descendre, to go downstairs, to, go down. To go downstairs, depends the context. Okay, so tomber is to fall. Partir is to leave. Aller, to go. Retourner is to come back. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15 verbs plus reflective verbs. So there is another method, more like this one, but it's Dr. and Mrs. Van der Tramp. So it's hard to remember the word, but you can use this method if you feel it works. So se lever is a reflective verb, to get up. Se réveiller is to wake up. Je me, so we need to keep this pronoun. Now. This se is going to turn into a me, te, se, nous, vous, ce. Je me suis réveillé à 7 heures. I woke up at 7. Tu t'es réveillé. Il s'est réveillé. Elle s'est réveillée. Nous nous sommes réveillés. Vous vous êtes réveillés. Ils se sont réveillés. Elles se sont réveillées. So you notice that I'm adding a feminine form. Okay, féminine en plural form. So the past participle with to be follows the gender and the number of the subject pronoun. So, je me lève, I get up, okay, but if I'm a woman, I'm gonna add an E, I don't hear it. Okay. So now, la plaine, le désert, la forêt, le bois, ou les bois, oui, c'est ça, la forêt tropicale, le marais, le pré, la prairie, la cascade, le ruisseau, le lac, le geyser. Okay. So, every time we just come back to the same expression and we can see, est-ce que tu aimes la plaine? Est-ce que tu aimes le désert? Est-ce que tu aimes la forêt? Est-ce que tu aimes le bois? Est-ce que tu aimes la forêt tropicale? Est-ce que tu aimes le marais? Est-ce que tu aimes le pré? Est-ce que tu aimes la prairie? Est-ce que tu aimes la cascade? Est-ce que tu aimes le ruisseau? Est-ce que tu aimes le lac? Est-ce que tu aimes le geyser? Okay. This is the homework. Try your best. That is gonna be for the next time. I'm not gonna give you a lot of homework because you're already busy, and so that's gonna be for the next time. You have an excellent night, an excellent week, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Au revoir, à très très bientôt, and please be careful, Rachel. À bientôt, Rachel. Au revoir.